This video goes over how to import goals from Google Analytics 4 into your Google Ads account. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. For this video, start at ads.google.com. Make sure you're in the account that you'd like to be for this tutorial. You would then click Goals on the left and go to Summary under Conversions. This is where all of your conversion goals will be. Click Create Conversion Action. You would click the import option on the right. The import option also gives you options for Salesforce, offline lead conversions, and phone sales. For this tutorial, we're doing Google Analytics. You would click Google Analytics 4 properties, as that's the new type of GA4. UA is the old version of Google Analytics. You would click App or Web. For myself, I'm going to click Web. It depends on how you made your Google Analytics 4 account, if it was an app version or a web version. Then click Continue. All of the events that you've set up in GA4 will show up on this list, so make sure that you set up the events first in GA4 before you do this tutorial. You would then select the event that you would like to import. You would click Import and Continue. Now it says that I imported one web conversion action. I would then click Done. So you can see here, purchase, that is the one that I imported from the account. And it's here for me, so if I wanted to edit the conversion afterwards, you would just click on the conversion action name and you'll be able to edit. So here are all the settings for your conversion that you imported. If you needed to edit anything, you would click Edit Settings on the bottom right. All the drop downs, you could change the name, for example. You can change it to be a primary or secondary option for optimization. You want to keep it as primary if you're looking to optimize your campaigns for this specific goal. If you need to add a value, so how much the lead is worth to you. You can change the count to be every or one. So every would be every time someone does this on your website, so every single purchase, or just one purchase for one person. You can change the click-through conversion window, but you would do that in GA4. And your attribution model, you don't have as many options as you used to have in the past. Data-driven is the one that's recommended. The only other one is last click, but usually Google tries to make you do data-driven wherever possible, which gives credit to each touch point along the conversion path. So if you change anything, you would click Save, then click Done, and back, and you are all set. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.